Bitcoin feels scary, the price jumps, the news sounds dramatic. People say things like, it's too risky, or what if it goes to zero? But here's the weird part. Most of that fear doesn't come from Bitcoin itself. It comes from how our brains react to uncertainty. Let's break this down, simply. Humans love things that feel stable and familiar. Banks feel safe. Savings accounts feel safe, even when inflation slowly eats away your money. When Bitcoin goes up or down 10% in a day, it feels scary. But volatility just means movement, not failure. Think of a roller coaster. It moves fast, it feels intense, but it's still on rails. Bitcoin volatility mostly comes from a small market compared to stocks or gold, 24/7 global trading, emotional buyers and sellers. The system itself, it keeps running, block after block, no matter the price. Familiar doesn't mean safe. Here's a tricky one. Things we're used to feel safe, even when they aren't. Inflation feels normal. Money printing feels invisible. Losing purchasing power feels slow. Bitcoin feels risky because we see the price move, we notice every drop. We talk about it constantly, but with fiat money, the risk is quiet. And quiet risks are often the most dangerous. Bitcoin crashes. Bitcoin soars. Bitcoin is dead. Again. Fear gets clicks. Calm explanations don't. When you hear the loudest voices all the time, your brain assumes something must be wrong. In reality, Bitcoin has survived bans, crashes, hacks of exchanges, market cycles, yet the network itself keeps running. Bitcoin is different. It's new, it moves fast, and it doesn't come with guarantees. So our brain screams, danger. But feeling risky and being risky are not the same thing. Bitcoin puts responsibility on you. No customer support, no password reset, no undo button. That feels scary, especially at the beginning. But responsibility isn't the same as danger. It's simply unfamiliar. And unfamiliar things often feel risky, even when they're not. Bitcoin doesn't feel risky because it's broken. It feels risky because it's new, it's transparent, and it forces us to think long-term. Understanding that difference is one of the biggest mindset shifts beginners ever make.